Take out your maths notebooks, maths books as well as maths fair notebooks. Page number 93 in your maths book. Page 93 in your maths book and in your maths fair notebook. You can start from the same page. You can continue from the same page. You can, maths notebook means you can continue from same page.
Ma'am, but I have no space.
तो बेटा एक काम करो, उस पेज को आगे और चिपका लो और उसी पे कर लो, है ना?
Ma'am, please tell the
है
page
ना?
number
Is
again.
this the correct way? What will you do now if you don't have space? What will you do? What will you do?
Ma'am, the page number is
93.
Okay, ma'am.
ये लिखा है जसकरण. Okay. Page 93. Continue from same page. And if you don't have a page, then you can use a new page. Okay. This is the common sense. I think all of you must be having it. Harsh Patel, switch on your video. Now in your maths page 4, page number 93, a vase can, do you have anyone of you having a vase or flower pot? Okay, Minha can bring. Minha, you can bring it.
Ma'am,
Can you
I
bring
have.
it? Minha,
Yes,
can you bring
ma'am.
it?
Ma'am, I have.
Minha, bring it. Flower vase.
Ma'am, I have also a vase.
लेकर आओ जल्दी से, टूटना नहीं चाहिए. Fast, quick, quick, quick. They are having flower vase. Okay. Now, beta, tell me, in these two flower vases, suppose there is one flower vase. Yuvraj Gupta is having a one flower vase. Like it. Yes. Okay. Now he is having 6 flowers in it. Okay. If I say there are 6 flowers in it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yuvraj Gupta 6 flowers है इसमें. Praveer 6 flowers है इसमें. Are they having 6 flowers? हाँ जल्दी से जल्दी से जल्दी 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 fast 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 quick 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 quick.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
चलो 6 कर लेते हैं. We think they are 6.
Ma'am, 11.
11. Okay. इस flower vase में 11 है. युवराज गुप्ता कितने हैं?
Ma'am, 4.
4. Okay. Praveer is having 11 flowers in a vase. Now Praveer आपको 1504 वो दिए जाते हैं flowers. Okay Praveer. 1500.
मैम एक सेकंड.
अरे एक सेकंड. ओके बेटा एक सेकंड.
मैम मुझे ये सम्स करने नहीं आते.
बेटा सम्स की बात ही नहीं कर रही हूँ मैं. बेटा मैं तो सम्स की बात ही नहीं कर रही हूँ. मैं सम्स की बात ही नहीं कर रही हूँ. मैं तो फ्लावर्स की बात कर रही हूँ. मैं तो सम की बात ही नहीं कर रही हूँ ना. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द फ्लावर्स एंड द फ्लावर वास.
Ma'am, I cannot see you properly because if Praveer is saying something, so he come.
बेटा कोई बात नहीं. प्रवीर को भी देख लो कभी कभी. उसने फ्लावर वास लगा रखा है. आई स्पॉटलाइटेड देयर वीडियोस. दैट्स व्हाई. हाँ. सो प्रवीर और युवराज गुप्ता दो की वीडियोस आ रही होगी. एंड माय वीडियो आल्सो इज कमिंग. ओके. सो प्रवीर फ्लावर वास लो बेटा. बुक छोड़ो. बुक कॉपी छोड़ दो. बुक कॉपी छोड़ दो. टेक द फ्लावर वास. Okay.
I can see everyone's video. Samrat.
Okay, okay. Jasrina, just wait. Wait, Jasrina.
My flower.
Okay, just wait. अभी आप इनको वीडियो देखोगे. Just wait. एक सेकेंड. अनम्यूट करो युवराज गुप्ता और प्रवीर अपने आप को. Okay. हाँ. So Praveer, I was talking about to you. I'm not talking in the book. I'm saying you have a flower vase and it is having 11 flowers. Okay. अब मैं आपको देती हूँ 11 flowers is this having, you told me. Yeah. Now I told you. Now I ask you. Now this, if I give you 1504 flowers. 1504 flowers. How many vases do you need? How many flower vases? How many pots will you need it? कैसे करोगे इसको? 1500 flowers दे दिए मैंने आपको. अब मैंने कहा है you have to arrange 11 flowers in each vase. तो how many flowers? कैसे करोगे उसको? Think about it. Okay, let's come to Yuvraj Gupta now. आप सोचो बेटा. Let's go back to Yuvraj Gupta. Yuvraj Gupta, open your mic. हाँ. How many flowers it has?
मैम 4.
4 flowers it is having. Okay, अब 4 flowers है. अब मैंने आपको 1500 flowers दे दिए, ठीक है, और आपको हर किसी में ऐसे ही वास में लगाना है 4 flowers. हर वास में आपको 4 flowers लगाने हैं. हाउ मेनी वासेस डू यू नीड? कितने वास खरीद के लाओगे, कितने पॉट्स खरीद कर लाओगे? टेल मी. 15,000 flowers दे दिए मैंने आपको. Okay, Akshita. Okay, is there anybody who is
Ma'am, I
having a
don't know.
flower pot and can tell me the answer? Who is having flower pot also and tell me the answer? Raise your hands.
Ma'am,
Yes, tell me.
मैम कितने flowers? How much flowers?
See बेटा, 15,500 flowers में आपको डिवाइड करने हैं
1,504.
अब देखो बेटा, see, as Praveer said, now listen to me carefully, everyone, not only Praveer and this, I'm talking to everyone. सिर्फ प्रवीर और उसका युवराज गुप्ता का एक एग्जाम्पल दिया था. प्रवीर, now listen to me carefully, do not calculate it. मैंने क्या बोला? हम फ्लावर्स की बात कर रहे हैं, मैथ्स की बात नहीं कर रहे. We are not talking in the maths book and notebook. Okay, I have given you 1,500 flowers, है ना? I have given you 1,500 flowers and I asked you to put in a, आपको यही सेम जैसे ये वास है वैसे ही बहुत सारे वासेस बनाने हैं, सेम एग्जैक्टली. एक में आपको 11 डालने, एक वास में आपने जैसे 11 है, शोमियो वास, शोमियो पॉट, फ्लावर पॉट, बिल्कुल एग्जैक्टली ऐसे ही आपको बनाने हैं 11 फ्लावर्स के. दैट मीन्स 1500 फ्लावर्स को आपको 11 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करना है ना? 11 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करना. 1500 फ्लावर्स आपके आगे हैं, सपोज यू वाला प्रवीर. ओके, 1500 फ्लावर्स है, उन्हें आपको सब में 11 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करना है. सो हाउ मेनी वासेस यू नीड? अब आपको ये कैलकुलेट करके लाना है. मैंने आपको फ्लावर्स दे दिए, आपको ऐसा ही फ्लावर्स बनाना है. अब आपको ये कैलकुलेट करना है. नाउ यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट हाउ मेनी वासेस यू नीड. आप खरीद के कितने लेकर आओगे वासेस? So how will you do? You will divide 1500 flowers into 11 equal parts.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, अब जितने फ्लावर्स बचेंगे वो आप मुझे रिटर्न कर देना. That's it. और वो क्या होगा? जो रिमाइंडर होगा, that will be the answer. So understood everyone? Maths is not about what is given in the book and there. It is just about a story. Word problems बहुत easy होती हैं. I know you all find word problems very very difficult. युवराज गुप्ता, now you can keep it off. Same with the युवराज गुप्ता also. अगर वो 6 flowers एक में लगा रहा है तो 6 flowers he has to divide like 6 flowers in one, 6 flowers in one, and 1500 flowers को उसको 6 parts में divide करना है. Okay, so how will do? Divided by 6, and the remaining flowers he will return me back. Okay, now I'm going to remove this. Okay, now who is going to read the question? Stuti is going to read the question. Stuti, read the question.
Ma'am, I am copying in 1 minute.
Okay. Daksh Pratap Singh, are you traveling somewhere? Daksh Pratap Singh, are you traveling somewhere? Okay. See this. Sheesh, abhi ke abhi switch on your video. Yeah, where were you since few days? कहाँ थे बेटा? क्लास अटेंड नहीं कर रहे थे? लास्ट मैथ्स क्लास अटेंड की थी आपने? लास्ट पीरियड अटेंड किया था? नुमान, जस्ट वेट बेटा. हाँ बेटा, लास्ट पीरियड अटेंड किया था शीर्ष? You are unable to unmute. Okay, अब ऑन करो, you unmute करो. Okay, let me talk to you afterwards. Okay, Numan. Kaya Numan. Numan. Okay, Numan. Okay, Numan. Tell me the question. Sorry. First statement. जल्दी से बताओ. Fast. See, a vase can hold 6 flowers. एक vase में 6 flowers आ सकते हैं. How many vases are need to hold 1,504 flowers? Now I have given you 1,504 flowers. Then how many flowers will be There can, how many vases are needed? First of all, you have to tell me.
Ma'am,
Numan, you want to tell me the answer?
11.
Numan ji, खोलिए jaldi se. Numan, quick, fast. Let's not
Ma'am,
waste time.
250. Ma'am, 250.
बेटा आंसर नहीं बताना होता है, मैं जो पूछ रही हूँ वो बता दो. I am asking what will be the statement.
Ma'am, number of flowers a vase can hold.
अब vase can hold का नहीं आएगा बेटा. First of all we will write total number of flowers. Okay. Second statement आपने बता दिया Numan. Okay. Total number of flowers. How many total flowers are there? Total number of flowers is 1504. Okay. Now you are the number of flowers one vase can hold. यही तो बताया ना Numan. क्या बताया बेटा? फिर से बोलो. Tell me again. Number of flowers. Wait. अब करो. अब बोलो.
A vase can hold. Number of flowers a vase can hold.
Very good. A vase can hold. Or you can say number of flowers a vase can hold is also correct in one vase. That is 6. Okay. Number of vases is equals to 1504 divided by 6. Let's divide it. 1504 by 6. Divide it quickly. No late. And do not send the answer. Randomly I can choose anyone. Okay, see. 6 2s are 12. You will subtract it 3. You will say 0 here. 6 5s are 13. You will get 0 here. And you will say 0 here. Dekho beta, see, very important part here. If you can see here, it is a very important part. आपने 4 कॉपी किया. 4 कॉपी के बाद बेटा ये 6 से डिवाइड नहीं हो पा रहा है, तो आप क्या करते हैं? You will put 0 in the denominator and copy another number, but दूसरा नंबर भी नहीं आगे, so you will write 4 here. कोई भी 25 आंसर नहीं करेगा इसका. The correct answer is 250 because you are copying 4 और 4 कॉपी करने के बाद भी ये 6 से डिवाइड नहीं हो पा रहा है. That means you will put 1 0 in the quotient. That means 250 flowers will, you need 250 vases. And the remainder is 4. That means 4 flowers will be remaining. So quotient is 250. Excuse me. And remainder is 4. Excuse me. Beta, remain means what is remaining part. Okay. So remaining part here is 4. Remaining part is 4. Remainder here. So remainder will be 4. So what will you write? So number of flowers number of vases. Sorry. So number of vases needed is equals to 250 and number of flowers left is 4. 4 flowers will be left fit for arrangement. Flowers left. कितने flowers रह जाएंगे? 4 flowers would have been left. Okay, now we are running out of time. So better to start the next question. Okay, the next question is, here we finish the question. Everyone just complete it quickly. If you have not done it, just take a screenshot of it and complete it afterwards. Okay, now question number 5 says, how many purses? Purse, you know, your mother is having a purse, right? How many purses can be bought from rupees 500? If each purse, sorry, oh my god, rupees 4. अरे ये तो बहुत अच्छा हो गया. Very good. If you have to gift your mother, you can unmute yourself now. Okay, if you're, suppose you are having 567 rupees. All of you are having 560. Unsha, I want your complete work. Unsha. पूरा वर्क नहीं भेजा बेटा आपने मुझे incomplete work भेजा. I'm going to call your father now. If you're not going to send me the whole work of maths, this chapter, Unsha, I'm talking to Unsha now, right now. I'm going to call your father now. Okay?
I will done.
आप Unsha है? I'm talking about Unsha now. So Unsha, I'm going to call your father if today I didn't get your maths full chapter. Okay,
Ma'am,
and it should be neat and clean. Like cake, तुमने कितना गंदा work कर रखा था. It was horrible, Unsha. Now I must not find it like that. Okay, just wait a minute. Yeah. Okay. Now.
ma'am, can I stop my video for 1 minute because I have
Okay, beta. Oh, beta, जब भी stop my video का chance हुआ करे ना, just type the message in the chat box. Do not speak the things. Okay. Arslan is the new Santa Claus. Very good.
Ma'am, I not understand the fourth poster.
बेटा अभी fourth में फिर दोबारा समझा दूंगी. Don't worry about it. Okay. Now see the next question. Arslan is the Santa Claus. See. You want to see a Santa Claus, everyone? Do you want to see the Santa Claus? Do you want to see Santa special? Okay. How many? अच्छा देखो बेटा बहुत interesting सा question है. It is very interesting question. Next question. Question number 5. How many purses can we?
How many purses can be bought from each purse cost?
प्रवीर बेटा मैं बोलूं. मैं बोलूं. बहुत अच्छी बात है बेटा. Or you all love your mothers. You all love your mothers. You want to give them something. क्या गिफ्ट करने वाले हो अपनी मम्मी को? क्या गिफ्ट करने वाले मम्मी को? पर्स है? क्या गिफ्ट करने वाले मम्मी को? पर्स?
No ma'am, no ma'am.
Yes, you are going to give your mother purse. After reading the question, now it's quiet. Quiet. अरे quiet क्यों बोल रही हूँ मैं तो mute लगा सकती हूँ. Very good. Quiet तो बोलना ही गलत है. Mute लगा दिया. Okay, that's better. Okay. Stop it. Okay, now see. After reading the next question, you are going to give your mother this purse only. So what happened? How many purses can be brought from rupees 567? Suppose you are having 567 rupees. You are having 567 rupees. Okay. And you have to give your mother something. And if each, I told you each means one. Each का meaning क्या होता है? One. If one purse costs rupees 4, आपको purse लेना है. This is purse. Okay, for your mother, and it is of rupees 4 only. Okay, आप shop पर गए, and the shopkeeper said that this purse you have to give your mother a purse, and it is of rupees 4 only. Wow, so अब तो gift कर दोगे purse 4 rupees का ही है.
मैम इतने इतने रुपीस का नहीं आता मैम पर्स.
तो मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ बेटा जब वो बुक में दे रखा है तो? Read the question in your book. पांचशुल.
Rubik's cube चाहिए.
पांचशुल. Rubik's cube बाद में रखना. Keep your mic off.
Ma'am, it is second smallest cost.
ठीक है चलो. आपको 4 rupees
Ma'am,
का
I have
purse मिल रहा है.
Panshu's number, but ma'am, Panshu don't respond.
Just stop it. Panchul is there. I know. 4 rupees का एक पर्स मिल रहा है. आपके पास इतने रुपीस है. आपको ये सारे का सारा गिफ्ट अपनी मदर को देना है इतने सारे रुपीस का. तो आप कितने पर्स दोगे अपनी मम्मी को? Think about it and tell me in the next period. Think about it and tell me in the next period.
Ma'am, I know answer.
Meeting will be over. आप बताओगे जब तक meeting will be over.